This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt with administrator rights from Recovery or Safe mode. This gives full access to system repair tools. First, identify the Windows volume, use disk part and list volumes, then assign a letter if needed. Once done, make a quick backup of registry hives or user files to an external drive so you can undo changes. This step matters because repairs can alter system files. Backing up prevents data loss and speeds rollback if something goes wrong. You should run system file checks and component repairs next. SFC verifies and replaces corrupted system files, so run SFC with the offline switches if Windows is not running. Then, run dism restore health targeting the offline image to repair the component store. This fixes underlying corruption that SFC can't patch. After that, run chkdsk with /f and /r to repair file system and bad sectors. This may take time, so be patient and let commands finish full. Once core repairs complete, ensure the system boots. Use boottrack to repair MBR and rebuild BCD if needed, then restart to test. If configuration remains broken, restore the registry hives you saved or run a repair install. This preserves apps while repairing Windows. If you still have failures, gather CBS and DISM logs for analysis and use system restore points. One key troubleshooting tip: if a command fails, note exact error text and try running the same command on the mounted offline image before attempting more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.